Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on quiet mode on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and after opening your Instagram app guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icons available for us. Tap on that three line icons at the top right, and over here you can see your notifications option available for us just below your activity. Tap on notifications, and over here on the second mode you can see there is the quiet mode option available for us. Tap on that quiet mode and you can turn on the quiet mode. You can see at the top right corner of the screen, and you can choose your quiet modes start time, end time, and your days. With that being done guys, this is how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.